In this video, I will show you how to create a unique gaming YouTube banner. And for this design, an app will be required. The name of the app in Pixellab. The app link we will be giving in my video description box. Download it from here. After that, open the app. And the design we will have a PLP file. You will find the link of the file in my video description box and download the PLP file from here. Now watch how I design. Okay. Then click on 3-dot menu and click open PLP file. Again click on PLP file and select your download PLP file. Okay. Then click on layer option and edit text. Click pencil icon. Again click on pencil icon. Done. Okay.